In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube Shorts video in Canva. If you're looking to make engaging and visually appealing shorts quickly and easily, you've come to the right place. Canva is a fantastic tool that's user-friendly and perfect for creating high-quality videos without the need for extensive design skills. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Canva website. If you haven't already, you'll need to log in or sign up if you're new to the platform. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. You'll notice a menu at the top of the page, which is where all the magic happens. Next, draw your attention to the upper menu and find the social media option. Clicking on this will present you with a variety of design formats tailored specifically for different social media platforms. Since we're interested in creating content for YouTube, you'll want to look for and select the YouTube category from the available options. Once you've clicked on YouTube, you'll see several templates designed for various types of YouTube content. What we're aiming for today is the YouTube Shorts format. This is a specific template that caters to the requirements of YouTube Shorts, ensuring your video is optimized for this platform. Go ahead and click on YouTube Shorts. Now that you've selected the YouTube Shorts template, you'll be taken to the design interface. Here, you can start customizing your video using Canva's vast library of images, text options, and design elements. Feel free to explore the different tools available to you. You can add text overlays, choose from a wide range of fonts, and even incorporate animations to make your video pop. A great tip is to keep your design consistent with your brand by using your brand colors, logos, or any other elements that make your content uniquely yours. Canva also allows you to upload your own images or videos, which can be a great way to personalize your shorts further. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to download your video. Look for the download button, usually located at the top right of the page, and select the format that best suits your needs. Typically, MP4 is ideal for video content. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've created a YouTube Shorts video using Canva. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and experiment with different features and designs. Thanks for joining me today, and happy creating!